Whenever I'm talking to people that are considering moving and buying a home out here, one example or a little exercise I like to do with them is basically you have three things. You've got your price point, you have the condition of the home, and you have the location. Usually we can get two out of those three pretty well. Sometimes we can find a home that fits all three of those, but at least two, that's most common. So maybe it's price and maybe it's location. Well, there's areas in Littleton that we're going to be able to find for you. In that case, it's just that third one, the condition of the home. That one we might have to be a little bit more creative with. Maybe it's an older home that needs a little bit of fixing up, or maybe it's just a home that was built back in the 50s and over the next few years after you purchase, maybe you have to account for some sweat equity, meaning you're fixing up the home yourself, maybe improving some little features of the home like painting it, maybe updating the flooring, improving the landscaping, all kinds of things, but you get the point.